Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I mostly talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. And today we're gonna get into my Boxycharm premium box. I didn't even say it was shipping, but okay. Look at this box. Translucent Beauty. And this is my second product from them besides like lashes. I got this corrector pen that I really like to clean up. Look how pretty this packaging is. Like, oh my God. And then the pan size is really, I love it. It's kind of small, but it's cute. I'm really excited to try this. It's kind of like a different neutral palette. I'm really excited. Let's just do, ooh, that's really pretty. I'm excited to try the mattes. I like how it's like the lights, the midtones, and then like the deeps, and then like there's two shimmers on each side. So I'm excited about that. Very excited. It's the Midnight Diesos. I don't know. And then we have this eyeliner set, which I swatched. It is from the Perfect Collab Pencil Eyeliner Set, Part 2, Bronze. What is the brand? Beauty for Certain. So I swatched them. The shimmer, I'm not very impressed with. Like, it was very easy to smudge. So it's like this copper kind of shade, but I have to like multiple times. Like, it's not the most pigmented, which is very disappointing. And then the navy actually is pretty, it's better. So then we're gonna let them set, and I will get back to you guys and I'll show you. So like, look how sheer this is, okay? Like, okay. The navy does set, but the copper doesn't. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that. Kind of irritating. This was the inside of the Translucent box, which is really cute. And then we have, I chose this and the Translucent palette. This is the Grown Alchemist Anti-Pollution Primer. I don't know about all this anti-pollution kind of stuff, but whatever. So it is kind of like this light pink milky primer color, and it says that it feels cold. So it says made in Germany and certified toxic free, 100% natural, a new evolution of healthy, scientifically advanced formulations, the biology of the beautiful skin. Think dirty, certified toxic free, vegan certified, certified organic, cruelty free, gluten free. So yeah, we will see what this is all about. And then I did try this a little bit today. This is cute, the packaging. It is by Make. It is their serum balm. First I saw the color and I'm like, but it's actually pretty sheer. So it's cute packaging, which I was kind of trying to figure it out. It's just a little twisty. Like, look at that color. It's like, what? It's like a sheer pink. It feels really nice and hydrating though, which I like. It has a slightly sweet scent. The packaging is also made from responsible sources. Please recycle after use. This serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient derived from biomolecules extracted from the pomegranate flowers in liquefied jojoba wax. This lip conditioning treatment adds luxurious, long-lasting shine and cushion. And it's in the shade Pink Cerise. And then we have a brush set from Complex Culture, which I believe is a Ipsy and Boxycharm brand. Cute. I love the gray. And I do have some brushes from them already, which I really like. Very like sleek. We got 3 brushes. I feel like with these subscription boxes, you don't ever need to buy brushes. Ooh, I like that. The Easy Crease Definer. I think I do have a brush like this. And then we have the All Over Shadow. Good blending brush, as well as just outer corner, whatever. And then we have the Precision Eyelid. So outer corner or blending. I love the color. Very sleek. And then we have And then lastly, we have the Ciate, ooh, like, looks like watermelon seeds. We have the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. So that is what we got in the box this month. Let me know what you guys picked for your January items. And so for January, I picked the LYS, I think it's like the Dewy Serum. And then I picked the Hide Foundation. What did you pick? Or what would you have picked if you had Boxycharm Premium? I only get Boxycharm Premium, but I do sneak peeks and spoilers that I see on TikTok. And I do want to do them on here as well. I've done one video. Let me know if you'd be interested in that. I do beauty videos and vegan food videos. I'm putting some in here, and I do want to post more vlogs. But let me know what you want to see. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.